14. Restore old photos. Some say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. If this is true, then our photo albums are a living, physical manifestation of our most treasured memories. Many of the emotional events that transpired in times past will seldom ever be repeated, but thanks to the technological advances in photography, we can relive these occasions at any time in our thoughts. However, photos suffer from an important setback, mainly that, since they are basically printed paper, they are exposed to all the usual wear and tear that affects this type of material. Whether that's the paper getting crumpled, the colours of the image fading, or the photograph getting torn, it's just a few of the hazards that your precious pictures are exposed to. Some people value their photographs dearly and will happily pay an expert to restore the pictures that get damaged from the passage of time. This is where you come in. If you know how to use Photoshop or other photo editing software, you can restore old pictures for people and earn quite a bit of money in the process. The marvels of modern editing techniques can also let anyone give the photos touch-ups, add backgrounds, or do whatever else the client wants. In order for you to make money with editing and restoring old photos, here are some steps you can take. Design a website for yourself. The first step to making money with this type of service is getting yourself out there. List the services you offer. With just a few clicks of a button, you can put your professional profile on various websites and social media outlets for everyone to see. Running Facebook ads and Google AdWords can be very efficient publicity and advertising tools. Tell your friends and family about your new services. At the beginning, your internet advertising tools might not reach a whole lot of potential customers. Because of this, it is important that you tell everyone you know about your services. Word of mouth will be a very powerful medium to market yourself in the beginning. The more people spreading the word about your services, the more viral you will become, and the more likely they will want to hire your services. How much money can I make restoring old photos? The money you will make will vary on a photo-per-photo basis. To give a fair price to your customers, you should start by defining a base price that will apply for each photograph or restoring assignment. Then, you will need to analyze each picture and give the client an approximate time in which you will finish the task, along with your hourly rate. This will ensure that your clients get a fair price and that you are well compensated for your services. If this works out for you, you could charge anywhere from $10 to $100 per assignment, depending on the photo, of course.